Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we're talking about at-fault accidents. An at-fault car accident is an accident caused by a driver being negligent or careless. If you're found to be at fault for an accident, it can be very costly. In order to figure out who is at fault for a car accident, the insurance company sends an adjuster to investigate the incident. Sometimes, fault is shared between drivers. In those situations, whose insurance pays and who is able to collect a settlement is determined by the state's negligence laws. If you're found to be at fault for an accident, your liability insurance will cover medical expenses and vehicle repairs for the injured driver and their passengers. If you also have repairs or medical costs that you need covered, you'll have to file a claim with your own collision insurance, personal injury protection, or MedPay insurance, depending on what coverage you have. On average, at-fault accidents increase insurance premiums by around 50%. And depending on your state and insurance company, that increase will usually last 3 to 5 years. If you've recently been at fault for an accident and your insurance premiums are too expensive, there are a few things you can do to help lower your rates. First, shop around for a new company. We recommend getting quotes from at least 3 different insurers to make sure you're getting the best deal. Second, consider changing your policy. Although you should always purchase as much insurance as you can afford, you might consider dropping optional types of coverage like collision or comprehensive if you're struggling to afford your rates after an at-fault accident. Third, look for discounts. Even though you don't qualify for good driver discounts, most insurers offer a lot of other options. For example, you may be able to get a discount for taking an approved defensive driving course or for having paperless billing. Fourth, practice safe driving habits. At-fault accidents only cause temporary increases to your insurance premiums. As long as you avoid moving violations and stay safe on the road, you should see your premiums go back down eventually. If you're concerned about how much your rates could be affected by an at-fault accident, look into getting accident forgiveness. To check out WalletHub's picks for the best accident forgiveness companies, just click the button here.